Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Gerber Gear 06 Fast tactical knife with Tanto blade and straight edges. The box, just like some of the reviews showed, that it did come in a little disrepair, but the knife itself looks like brand new. So maybe because of the how heavy the bulky the knife is, there's a reason why it the box came with one side that's broken open. It's easily if you shake it, or the end probably go to hit the other side and break open. But it is a pretty bulky knife. As you can see, nice Gerber logo on the belt pocket clip and on the spine. Has a nice safety feature on here. If it has the little red dot, you can open it up, down. You can't even open it up at all. But you can barely flick my thumb and it opens up. You can see the nice Tanto blade with a thread edge. And it's an easy one-hand close. So if you just push this button up, and then close it up. So I give it a 9 out of 5 out of 10. This I just got in the mail just a couple minutes ago, so I'll make a update video on how good it is and how long before it even breaks or not, doesn't break. And the blade is actually really sharp for the other box, so I'm pretty impressed with that. I'm hoping to make some more knife videos in the future. So until then, thanks for watching. Bye.